Alright, y'all, back here, clean the blade, and today I'm finally getting the chance to use my Father's Day gift. I got a meat grinder and decided to put it to some use. Drop a comment below if y'all would like for me to review the meat grinder.
Alright, y'all, we back. And I got my own mix right here today. Got me some venison and brisket mix. Some I came up, I ain't gonna say come up with on my own, but I had some ground deer. I had some brisket trim that I put through my new grinder. And we're gonna try it out today and see. A test run. It's probably like a 70-30 mix. But we're gonna test it out today, see how it goes. Alright. See how juicy these things turn out, see if they hold together. Alright, I'm gone. Alright, y'all, these burgers been on about 30 minutes now. We're gonna give them a check. Rocking at about 275 there, or about 260. Oh yeah, they looking good. They ain't trying to swell up on me. You can see that fat coming up out of them. I'm gonna hurry up and close this. Fat dripping up out of there. We're looking good. We ain't gonna do nothing. I'll let them go for maybe about 30 more minutes. And then we're gonna check on them. Like I said, in another about 20 minutes. We'll check on them about 20 minutes. See where they at. Try to get some grill marks on them. A little sear. We're gonna be ready to eat. Alright, we go. Alright, y'all. Checking in on these burgers, on my mix. Oh yeah, they looking good. They sure know looking good. Probe one of these things. See what they looking like on the inside. Hey, shoot, they ready to go. Oh yeah. Bad boy ready to go. I'm topping with some cheese. That's all she wrote. Alright, we're back. I'm about to cheese one of them. The one I'm about to do now. Got me a little pepper jack. Put on this thing. Give me one. And when we come back, I'm gonna be grubbed. There you go. Get you some of that. Get you some of that. Alright, just basic mayo, ketchup, mustard.
Burgers turned out awesome, but I will be making a small tweak to the meat to fat ratio. Other than that, let's go. Y'all tell me in the comments if y'all would try this.